Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to find your sent emails in Outlook in 2026. Now Outlook stores all of your outgoing messages in a dedicated folder. You can locate them quickly even if the layout has changed. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to either open your Outlook application on your desktop or you can also open it in your web browser. Over here, once you log in into your Outlook email, simply just hover over to the left hand side and try to find the option of the sent items. Once you are able to find this folder, you just have to click on it, and the basically sent items is the folder where Outlook saves every message that you sent. So here you will see all of the emails that you have sent. So you can double click on any of the emails in order to open it. If you are using the new Outlook, the sent folder may appear under the mailboxes or your account name. So you can expand the mailbox and look for the send items option. If you don't see the folder, you can click on the option of more here in the left hand side first. This is going to expand all of the hidden folders and usually reveals the sent item folder as well. You can also use the search bar here on the top and you can type the subject, the recipient's name or the keywords associated with that particular email. Then you can change the filter to the send items, and this is going to also help you to find the older messages even if the folder is hard to spot. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.